Welcome back, curry crew. Today we're making a delicious fresh tomato pasta. This recipe is simple and easy, but packed full of some amazing flavors. So to start, let's take 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and we're gonna cut them in half before setting them aside in a large mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna take half a red onion and cut it either into slices or bite-sized pieces, depending on your preference. Once you are done cutting your onions, you can add them into the mixing bowl with your cherry tomatoes. Next, take about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and just give them a quick and rough mince, after which you can add it into your bowl. Next, we will take 3 to 4 mini bell peppers or half a regular bell pepper and cut that into bite-sized pieces and then add that in with our other veggies. Then we're going to chop 4 to 5 basil leaves and again add it in with our other ingredients for some nice freshness. Then we're going to take 3/4 cup of mini mozzarella balls and cut them into quarters, and we're going to add that into our mixing bowl with the veggies. And then finally into our mixing bowl, we're gonna add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Then into this, we're gonna add in half a cup or 3/4 cup of olive oil and half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And give it a nice mix in order to coat each and every ingredient with our oil and our seasonings. Set this aside for about 15 to 20 minutes in order to allow our veggies to marinate in the oil as well as the balsamic vinegar. After which, into this, we're gonna add in any type of thin pasta, so either angel hair, capellini, or thin spaghetti. Give it a nice and thorough mix in order to combine the pasta with our marinated veggies and cheese. And then into this, we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and give it one more mix. And there we have it, guys. Our fresh tomato pasta is ready for us to dig into. Feel free to top it with some more red chili flakes or Parmesan, or just have it as is. But as you saw, this recipe was pretty simple and easy, but it is downright delicious. Keep on cooking.